Okay, this is Playa Guanones, and this is the perfect place where Shara's gonna learn how to surf.
Yeah, baby!
So it's a surf camp she's gonna go for 4 hours, and by the end of it, hopefully around this time, she's gonna stand up on a board. We'll see.
I am so happy to say we are still in Costa Rica, and even editing this vlog makes me happy.
All the kids here are surfing. Mine are playing with the coconut.
I'm in the coconut juice.
Cool.
Welcome back. In the last episodes, we found this mama sloth and her baby in the cloud forest, watched hundreds of baby turtles hatch on the beach. If you're new here, we're Colin and Meg, and we love to tell stories of family adventures from around the world. So thanks for joining us on this one. And if you enjoy these videos, please hit the subscribe button and leave us a comment below. We would love to say hello. So although we've done some pretty cool things in Costa Rica, here's what our days look like in Nosara.
I sit here at the kitchen counter and work in the mornings, and the kids play in the pool. And about 3:30 in the afternoon, we head to the beach. But today's a special day because our very own Charlotte is taking a surfing lesson.
I'm this surfing.
You know that you are the first Mukri ever to surf. And no Mukri has ever surfed in the ocean before. You are the first one. How does that make you feel?
I'm shy because I'm scared. I might maybe fall down, and maybe walks might hurt me, and maybe there might be a shark.
Ow! Don't hit me!
Well, you can't laugh.
Well, guess what? This is the best place in the world to learn how to surf. And today, you're gonna be a pro, my friend. But first, we have to learn a few things. Some words that surfers use. Come, sit down. Look at what things surfers say. Say, I'm stoked.
I'm dope or soap?
I'm stoked.
I'm stoked.
That means, whoa, I'm happy. All right, so Charlotte, are you happy?
I'm stoked.
That's right, ding! So you don't say, man, I fell off my surfboard. You say, dude, I wiped out.
Dude, I wiped out, baby.
What's a ding? Let's see. Oh, all right, if your surfboard gets a boo-boo, you say, there's a ding on my board.
What's gonna happen if it gets cut on the board?
It's just like a little ding.
But then I can keep playing?
Yeah. You like, excuse me, I got a ding on my board.
Ding dong.
You can say that too. What's your surfer name gonna be?
Charlotte Surfer?
The Charlotte Surfer? That's pretty cool.
Or, I know this is funny. Charlotte Dude.
Charlotte Dude? Let's do a little secret handshake. So you're the wave, do a wave, and I'm a surfboard. Let's rock today. I'm proud of her. Mukri history is being made.
We are in Playa Guanones, in an area called Nosara. It's a true surfing paradise with miles of sandy bottoms and warm water. It's perfect for every level of surfer.
I'm gonna show you your school. Come here.
And this is Salty by Nosara Kids Camp, and they really provided the best first experience for Charlotte.
This is so cute, but the first thing they learn in their surfing class is to give back to the planet. And so the first thing they do is pick up trash. Charlotte's in school, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna go in the ocean today.
I feel like I wish we lived by the ocean so she could do this all the time. Makes her so happy. But stir the pot.
I saw the
Stir the pot. The power.
All right, Charlotte's gonna push for the first time. Here we go. You did it! Megan! pro?
What if she's
a pro prodigy? It's our ticket. Our ticket out of this life. We need to get surfboards. Maybe we need to learn how to surf. I need to learn how to surf. She's inspiring me. She's already inspiring people. Right, Lid? I'm not a surfer, but I think these waters are like perfect for surfing. Like it's a constant swell. They say that you can surf here all day long, and that the surf is just good all day long. And the bottom is super sandy. I mean, I'm up to my ankles, and she just got up again. She's a prodigy.
Are you having fun? I could cry. I actually am. Look at my eye. I think it's because you watch her like fall over a million times, but then she just gets up. She's like shocking me from the water, but then she just gets up and she dives into the waves like she's done this her whole life. But she's only done it for an hour. That makes me proud. Ugh.
What's up with this one?
She just feels a little sleepy.
One's a little sleepy. Hey!
Peekaboo!
Peekaboo!
Like surfing. After lesson, there's s'mores and a bonfire. Cute.
I told her, we're working different things, and then I was like, okay, on your next wave we're gonna do this, and she's like, and then we're finished with the class, and I was like, no, why, you want it to be finished? And she's like, no, I want to keep going. I was like, awesome. Yeah, that over.
If you're a parent, you know this, but that feeling when you get to give your kids experiences and see them just do so well or love it or enjoy it, and your heart is so full, that's one of these moments right now. Signing off from Costa Rica. Bye.